beauties, welcome back to my channel once again. I am gladly, for those of you who have watched my other videos, and for those of you who haven't watched it, just go down, subscribe to my channel, and like the videos, and comment down below if you have any suggestions on other videos that you would like to see. I am gladly to read your comments and try to do those videos for you guys. And with further ado, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I do my packaging for my orders. And if you guys know, I have my small business. You go and check it out. It is on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook page. And yes, I will be leaving my links down below. So let's continue on with this video. Alright ladies, so now let's begin with cleaning my section. I'm going to be using Lysol just to clean the spot, and I'm going to be using my gloves. Obviously, we'll also be using my hand sanitizer. Just want to be extra clean and protected, right? And then afterwards, I am going to be, putting on my gloves. There you go. And in this next step, I like to put a little bit extra. Just a little bit, not too much. Since this part of the gloves are going to be touching my products. As you can see, just a little bit. And yeah. Put it and roll it all around. A little ASMR right there. Okay, so they're clean. So like I was saying, ladies, I have 4 orders doing that. So right now I'm just cleaning my little station where I'll be packaging my products and being clean, right? Alright ladies, so I'm going to be using 4 of this Organza's little package. 4. Alright, for the first lady, Beauty, she ordered these beautiful eyelashes. Their name is Gorgeous. So the one right here. And she also, this lip gloss, the squeeze tube is a 10 ml. It is Sugar Baby. I just have 1 more left. And for this other lady, she ordered one of the 1 tubes. It's in, I believe it's strawberry flavor. So I'm going to put it right there. And this one, the squeeze tube is caramel. I have 3 more, 4 more of those. And of course, a lip balm. This lip balm is in grape flavor. And then I have another order, which is also an eyelashes. And this tube in Sugar Baby. Alright, eyelash and the Sugar Baby squeeze tube. So let me move this up and this one right here. So what I'm gonna be doing is putting eyelashes in here. There we go. And the these two and busy. And I just do it on not one knot. Tie it up. There we go. And for here, I'm gonna be adding this paper, the wrinkle paper, and the glue. The what is it called? The holographic glue. Putting that inside, as you can see in there. Just gonna be putting not too much, you know, and then I'll be placing it in here. Voila! And then I'm gonna be closing it. But in this case, I put it on the side. And for this one, I'm gonna put it in the little. For my local pickups, I will put the wrinkle papers in here. And the little organza bags. Something simple, not too much. And let me find the space too. There we go. And something simple, you know. And there. And I'll be putting in this small bag. Actually, I have a bag. I'm putting it right here. Here. That's one right there. Then I'll go on with the other one. Just put a little bit, not much. More. Sorry if this video looks a little messy. Trying my best. The other one. Okay. And a little bit organza. So now, yes, there's my fourth one. Putting in eyelashes. And the lip balm. And there we go. Just gonna try to do a little more. Sorry. Okay, ladies, so now we're done with the packaging. These are from my local orders, and I'll be shipping this order. And before I forget, I do want to give you beauties some candy, of course, with the orders. I'll be sending you some candy so you can sweet up your life, you know. Alright, so I'm going to be showing now my candies. I'll be giving it to you. Okay, for my local ladies, I will be packaging them in a little box like this. Alright, okay. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of the organza right there. put my logo in it. Like this. You see? And I'll be putting that in here. There you go. That's for the logo. And box like this. Small boxes. Right. So have to connect it. By the way, ladies, I got these little small boxes. Party seating. There we go. I am in the New York City, and you can just place your orders on Instagram, and if you like, we can meet up and pick it up. I'm gonna put the link. There we go. I'm gonna put the item. There we go. Just for this video purpose, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to put the shipping label will be going on this side, just to, you know, give it that extra protection again. And I'm going to be putting a little logo right here, like this. And yes, ladies, sorry, but I'm having sending you some business cards. I'm in the process of that, creating my business cards. Well, that's it. Well, ladies, that was it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it on how I do my packaging. I will be doing a further, more full-on video on my packaging and the labeling, all that stuff, in the next videos. And yes, so thank you for watching once again. I hope you comment down below, give me a like to this video, subscribe if you haven't, and for those of you who are subscribed, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, bye guys.